Donald Trump's tariff plans took a big hit yesterday, Wednesday, when the United States International Court of Trade struck down his Liberation Day retaliatory tariffs. I want to talk to you a little bit about the judges. People always say, oh, those are just liberal judges, or they were appointed by Obama or Biden or whatever. So let's talk about who they are. One is Judge Gary Katzman. He was appointed by Obama in 2016. Another, Judge Timothy Reif, appointed in 2019 by Donald Trump. The third is Judge Jane Rastani. She was appointed in 1983 by President Reagan. She's been on the court for over 40 years and was the chief judge of the court for about 10 of those years. She took senior status about 10 years ago, meaning she just has a reduced caseload. The thing to remember about this court, though, is that it is a highly specialized court. These judges hear trade cases. They understand trade law better than the members of the Supreme Court or the Federal Circuit, where an initial appeal would go, and you can expect the Trump administration to appeal it. This was a decision on summary judgment, meaning that there are no material questions of fact. Everybody agreed on the facts. Juries decide what the facts are, and if no facts are in dispute, then a court can make a decision as a matter of law, because a jury is not needed to decide the facts, and juries don't decide what the law is. You can absolutely expect the Trump administration to appeal, but for now, this order is in effect. It was not stayed, as far as I can tell, for a pending appeal. So they would have to run to the Federal Circuit, which is one of the Federal Circuit Courts of Appeal. It just doesn't have a number in front of it. It's not the First Circuit, the Ninth Circuit, it's the Federal Circuit. And then from there, it could go to the United States Supreme Court. Either the Federal Circuit or the Supreme Court could put this order on hold pending arguments in front of either of those courts. Is that likely? I can't really say. But that's what's going to happen, is the courts will get that case when it's appealed by the Trump administration. Will it go to the Supreme Court? Probably. We shall see what happens. But keep in mind, these judges, these three, come from 3 different presidents, 2 Republicans and a Democrat, and they are experts in this area.